Okay. Well, I'm gonna sing Adele, Set Fire to the Rain. Hope you like it. I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and now it's over, until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they were strong, but my knees were far too weak. Stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you say, they were never true. And the games you played, you would always win. And I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. And it burned and I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. With you, I still stay there, close my eyes and we forever, you and me together, nothing gets better. 'Cause there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you say, they were never true. And the games you played, you would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Well, it burned and I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. I set fire to the rain, and I feel into the taste. When it felt something died, 'cause I knew that it was the last time. Wake up on the door, that heart you call must be waiting for you. Even now when we're already over, I can't help myself from looking for you. I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. And it burned and I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. Set fire to the rain, 'cause it feels into the face. And it felt something like, 'cause I knew that it was the last time, the last time. I feel like it.